What's good, y'all? It's Bear and Brett.
I was trying to explain something else. He's so rude. I guess I'm taking too long.
She couldn't get it out quick enough. Hey, what's up, y'all?
I just kept on crying out.
Anyways, we woke up on this beautiful day and we decided that we're gonna go on a adventure. Where are we going, baby?
Car shopping.
Going car shopping this morning. So Britt got the new bug. She talked me into it.
Me?
She talked me into it. So we
He is lying.
She talked me into it. I'm entertaining it. So we about to head to the dealership to see, you know, what things look like. Right now we ride in a mid-size SUV, and we think for a longer term, you know, situation, a full size would fit better for our family and our needs. So with that said, we are
going to go look. But we've been looking for a while now. And like, I used to have a Durango. So is that still a mid-size? Or like a kind of mid-size XL?
Durango is still classified as mid-size.
Well, the Durango is a bomb A SUV, y'all. Like, I absolutely love Durangos. I loved my Durango. Only reason why I traded it in was because it didn't have like the automatic back hatch and all that stuff. Just back in 2015. And we were pregnant with little Bear. So I was like, yo, as a mom, if I'm by myself, I'm gonna need like some automatic stuff, you know? So that's really all it was. And a sunroof, and I wanted a sunroof. And I wanted leather. So it was 3 things. So then I ended up getting the Jeep because Bear got a truck, because he used to have a car. So we always needed like an SUV. So I got a smaller SUV because Bear got a big truck. And then now I'm like, I love the Jeep, y'all. Like, I love the Grand Cherokee. But I'm a full-size SUV girl. Like, I learned how to drive in a Tahoe. That's just where my heart is. And it fits my man a little bit better, so.
So we're going to head up there, see what the lick read, and we'll let y'all.
I'm excited.
We'll let y'all know how it turns out, all right?
I'm excited. We've been staying up to what wee hours in the morning looking at inventory.
Yeah, we was looking at inventory till about midnight last night. So
and the night before.
So we got our eyes set on a couple full size
SUVs.
Yeah, full size SUVs. So
we'll see y'all when we get there.
This scenery looks a little different.
It looks so different.
What's that above you? What is that? So.
Oh wow!
Like, we went and made some big boy decisions today.
Big boy decisions. Big girl and it's on.
And do you want to tell everybody what you riding in?
Y'all have to see.
Yeah.
Okay. Y'all are gonna see right now. Y'all, oh my gosh. Like, I typically get excited about new cars, but like, I am like excited. Like, more than I think I've ever been. Like, shout out to, you know, my other vehicles, my other SUVs. Like, I've loved them. I have cherished them. Your girl done been through a couple, and she done finally grew up into the full size.
Yeah.
I started out with an Equinox, a Chevy Equinox. then a Dodge Durango, and then, hold on, y'all gotta pay attention. A Dodge Durango, and then had a Jeep Grand Cherokee. Loved it. My butt might be lopsided. I loved all of those vehicles. Each one got a little teensy bit bigger, except for like the Durango to the Jeep. Anyways, I've always been an SUV girl, but y'all, I'm a full size. I'm a full grown woman now.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie, this full size feel good. Especially when you got a full size dude. You know what I'm saying?
That has always been the thing. Like every time we car shop, it's always been like, babe, can you fit? Like, can you sit in the back seat and see if you can fit? You know, and so now with having a child, there's that. It's like, okay, can we all fit in car seats? You know what I'm saying? Like, oh, hello, what y'all doing up here? And car seats and all of that. So this feels good. This feels so good.
Yeah, it's definitely a really good film.
Oh, I don't even think I said what it is. Well, it is a GMC Yukon. It's a Yukon, not a Yukon, but it's a GMC Yukon, and this bad boy is pretty. Does it have beeping sounds? I need beeps. I need a beep.
Anyways,
flash. I need a.
so we'll go through a little video of all the little features and all that stuff.
Oh yeah, we'll give y'all a car tour.
Yeah, like, sorry. When I say video, we're gonna go through a whole car tour.
Yeah.
And so y'all can see it.
We'll give y'all a car tour because oh dang, I should have gave a car tour the last one too.
The what?
The Jeep.
Man, look, Brittany worried about this damn Jeep. Jeep gone. We off the lot. We off the lot.
I love my Jeep. I brought my baby home.
We should have did one for the Jeep. The Jeep gone. We in the big body now.
Wait, did we bring Papa's home in the Jeep or the truck?
I don't know. My arm hurting from holding this camera.
You a cry, baby. But y'all, this is a vibe. This is a whole vibe.
Alright, so we'll give y'all a tour right about now.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. Hater plotting my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line. Bottom feet is out of line. Turn your heart rate to a dotted line.
What's good, y'all? Alright, so let me get some good lighting here. Get the family in the background. There we go. So let me see. Why are you focusing on me? There we go. So basically, long story short, I'm surprising Brittany with a scavenger hunt. Right? The rules of the game is there's a gift in the house. She has a note. And for her to find the gift, she has to find all the notes with the clues. I told her like 2 days ago, I think it was. Yeah, like I told her, I said, hey, I got a surprise for you.
And I can't leave from right here until I read my notes.
So she was like, well, what's the surprise? I said, I'm not going to tell you anything. I said, I'll go get it on Friday. And boom, what's today? Wednesday. And there's a massive gift in this house.
Massive?
Waiting for wifey. So what you got in your hand? So she got home. I handed her her first gimme. So we're about to see what it is.
Okay, so I got out the car to this note.
Okay.
With a little left-handed smiley face. My baby left-handed.
Left-handed smiley. Let's go.
Okay, so it says.
Read it out.
Okay, so it says. Whose notebook did you use for this?
You worry about the wrong thing, girl. Read it.
Okay, welcome to your scavenger hunt. In this house, there is a hidden gift for you. Your job is to find it. First clue, your gift is located in a dark area. To get your next clue, find the next note. Next clue location, there are hanging clothes in this location. So the closet?
I don't know, you tell me. All right, now you can go wherever you want in the house to find the gift.
Okay, I don't think I have any hanging clothes in there. No, there's just hangers. There's actual clothes on the hangers.
What does the clue say?
It says hanging clothes.
All right. So.
Oh, I found it. I'm good. Okay.
So actually, you skipped the second clue, and you got the third one. So, but it's cool though. It all goes together.
Oh, sure.
No. You can leave it, but it was the closet. So you're supposed to go to the closet.
Okay, I'll do it the way you want.
No. You don't have to. You already found the third one.
I'll do it the way you want.
So, private eye detective was supposed to come
In here.
in here.
Okay, I'll do it the way you want it. Okay.
Okay, that's cool. All right.
Okay. Next clue. Your gift is hidden behind wooden hinges.
Wooden hinges.
Like a door with hinges.
I don't know.
Clue. Next note. When I'm cold, I go here. Oh, to grab a jacket.
Come on, Papas.
Wooden hinges. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
All right. What does that say?
Next clue. Your gift is on the floor. Next note. If I am hungry, I will go here to grab food. The pantry? Papas, don't fall off the bed, baby. You want to come to the pantry with mommy?
Come on. I got more crackers for you. You want some crackers?
You want wheat thins? Snack? Okay. So there's food in the pantry. Y'all just gotta ignore this house. This house looks like trash. Okay. Pantry. Next clue. Your gift is under something. Next note. If I want a drink, I may go here to grab it. Oh. If you want, like, it's under something. I may go here to grab it. A drink. Like upstairs. Let's try upstairs. You come here to grab a drink. The wine fridge.
It was in the wine fridge? Wow.
Come on, bruh. Okay. Next clue. Whose notebook did you deplete for these?
My notebook. Now, come on.
Okay, next clue. Your gift is upstairs? Is that what that says?
Your gift is upstairs.
Oh, okay. Next note. If you want to watch a movie, I may go here to watch it. Media room.
Whoa, media room.
The barricade.
The barricade. Oh, it's dark.
What's in here?
What does it say?
Next clue. You are getting warmer. Your gift is close. Next note. I may work in here if I'm working from home. In here. Okay, fine. The office? The office? I notice all the doors are closed. Whoa! this office needs to be cleaned up. You may work in here. You may work in here? This is where you would work. Oh, shit. Okay. Last clue. I am under linen. Like,
So combine all your clues. Where's the gift?
combine all my clues. Like, read through them again?
Yeah, combine all your clues and go find your gift. That was the last clue.
I'm under linen. Like a linen closet? Or all those clean clothes we need to fold up? I'm under linen. Like a linen closet. What's this? I was like, why is this flat? What? What is this?
I don't know. You tell me. What does it say? What the?
Bro, what?
What does that say?
What'd you do? What'd you do? What'd you do? What'd you do? What'd you do?
It could just be a box, man. I don't know.
You're right. It
It could be just a box. You
What's
know?
this? Is this a card or something?
I don't know. I'm just Bryson in the office.
Oh. What is this? Your room. What did you do? Oh, babe. They're so sweet. Thank you. Look at you. Got the little Louboutin. I love it. Aww.
You like it? You like it? I figure you got that new Yukon and everything, you know what I'm saying?
My new Jukon.
So you know, you gotta roll in style with your new Louis Vuitton bag, you know?
Oh, thank you.
So I hope you like it.
Oh, this is so special. Thanks.